Hi everybody. So we will be discussing today about the reasons of not investing. So many people are adverse to invest in mutual funds. Why? So because uh, they think that it is too risky, and they are very low awareness regarding the mutual funds, and also there is what you call a big complex procedure to invest in mutual funds, and also the funds are too complicated to understand, and also it is not a regulated market. That is what people are perceive regarding the mutual funds. And also there sometimes, yes, there are sometimes equity performance is very poor, and there are number of schemes which they may not understand, but it is not a it should not be a damper to invest in mutual funds, because mutual funds industry is very well regulated, and also the very simple to investment, and very low investment also, like 500 rupees or 1000 rupees every month. They can invest, they can build their actually what is the safety nest. They can safely invest in mutual funds. This campaign has to go into the public, because there are number of schemes, equity schemes, there are debt schemes, there are ETF schemes, where passive schemes and active schemes, there are so many available. So investors should not look at the past performance, they should only, it's a signpost, but it is not a it should not actually taken to heart that future will also be like this, and they should not invest blindly. So they should contact any of the distributors, because in there are only around 1 lakh distributors in mutual fund, but there are almost like 20 lakh agents in the case of insurance industry. So mutual fund companies are also actually SEBI, and also AMFI is taking very active proactive role in controlling as well as campaigning to see that mutual fund industry is mutual fund industry is well regulated, and also it is popularized in the public domain. But uh, uh, there are there is definitely competition from insurance sector, and also bank fixed deposit regularly. Actually what happens is, we are very much conservative in India. Savings is much, but very conservative regarding the amount. They want to see that physically what is the fixed deposit. If it is a bank fixed deposit, we are very happy. They should not actually, they should not monitor that. They will only fix that amount, whatever the returns, they are very happy, because they are very particular regarding the safety of the investment. But good, but they are really missing a chance to actually to improve the whatever the economy of the Indian market, and also their own what you call corpus. They can for different purposes, for like children's education, children's marriage, or they can their vacations, or they can actually for their retirement, own retirement, their educational needs, not only for medical needs. So many things it can be used for them. The mutual fund can be used. So it had not only AMFI and distributors, but everybody should take this massive campaign into the public domain, to see that the necessary education is given to regarding the mutual funds. What are the myths we have discussed should be mitigated, should be actually reduced, or eliminated from the public domain, and see that mutual fund industry is once again, not only it flourishes, but whatever the uses, what are the benefits of investing in through mutual funds, it has to go into the public. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.